Welcome to our sample room. Next you will see the assembly of the N-type ground bracket. The accessories we use are end clamp, middle clamp, rear pillar, base rail clamp, panel, PV terrain rack with ground screw or concrete foundation. Reduced installation times due to high prefabrication level. Minimized assembly time and effort up to 40%. Maximum use of existing land to save land formation costs. Flexible to customize according to different project situation. Optimization material use, structure verification approval by wind load and snow load testing. Structural validation JIS flexible array lengths, expansion smart, simple, safe. All components are made of aluminum and stainless steel. This choice of material guarantees both full recyclability and the maximum service life due to high resistance to corrosion. More details about the price we can talk, and welcome to visit our factory.